Welcome back, you guys. We are in the greenhouse and I want to let you in on what's all been going on with the garden seasoning. So without further ado, let's get on into the video for today. Well, in today's video, I'd like to come to you guys and talk to you about what's been going on. And whenever I say what's been going on, there's been a ton of stuff that has been going on here at the homestead, in the garden, and all the obstacles that we have faced. So let's begin with the day that me and Corbin tried to up-pot some of our seedlings. What are you doing, Corbin?
Stuff.
Stuff.
Potting, I guess.
You gonna tell me what you're doing?
Filling up these.
For what?
Plants.
The wind was extremely high and it was extremely hot, and it was just becoming a little bit hard to really sit out and do it. And then I ended up having to move inside of the hot greenhouse where I'm sitting today talking to you guys. And then a few days later, I've been letting all my seedlings in and out of the greenhouse to try and get them acclimated. And when I went to work, before I went to work, I took all my seedlings and put them outside for the day. And it was sunshiny and windy like it is today. And by the time I got off of work, we had a pop-up thunderstorm come. And that's just the way Oklahoma weather is. And in that thunderstorm came a lot of hail. It almost looked like it had snowed, and all my seedlings were sitting out, and I was pretty devastated of the effects that it left on my seedlings. I don't know. I think the only thing that I can say right now is Mother Nature freaking hates me. After a lot of bawling my eyes out, on the way home, a pop-up storm came and it hailed. And of course, I had all my seedlings sitting out, all my snapdragons, all my lisianthus, all my everything just sitting out, because I'm starting to try to acclimate them. And I don't know. I'm going to try not to cry. I'm very upset because some of these plants I started whenever, like in January, and if I lose them, I don't have time to redo them. You know, gardening is hard, and things just happen. And I should know through the years of gardening that you are going to experience loss and failures, and you just have to breathe through it, and you're going to be okay. It's all going to be okay. It's all going to work out. But I still think Mother Nature hates me, y'all. My God. Look, that is hail all in my plants. Hail. Hail. Not happy. Ice. Coleus got beet. Alright, you guys, I've got them all put back the way they're supposed to be. That way I can actually walk in my greenhouse again. Got a lot of water standing just because of the hail. Need to get the heater in here because it's supposed to get down to 37 tonight, 36, 34. So my dahlias, I think that my Lysianthus are gonna make it. I think they're gonna be okay, y'all. They're a little dirty, but they don't really look like they are damaged, which I didn't want to lose anything. But my freaking eggplants are doing amazing. They didn't even hardly miss a beat. Only one little leaf got damaged, which is good. Good thing I didn't have my peppers or my tomatoes out there, so I'm good with that. My coleus, like I showed y'all earlier, it looks pretty bad, but I think it'll bounce back. Coleus is pretty, diligent. You can take cuttings and it branches out, so I think it'll be fine. This, on the other hand, looks horrible. This is that purple graffiti cauliflower. It's been kind of struggling anyway, so I don't think I'm going to get very much of that. What a stressful evening, but all in all, it could have been way worse. I'm just thankful it wasn't, and we will see you in a couple of days, and we will do an update and see where we're at in the garden. And then after we got over the initial devastation of practically losing some of my seedlings, I was ready to get some compost or garden soil to bring in and top off my raised beds. And so we headed off to Sapulpa to pick up some garden dirt to fill up my beds and try to get started on laying the black plastic on my picking flower garden. I wanted to finish it, but we just ran out of time yesterday, and today the wind is extremely high. It is just too high to even attempt to put any of our black plastic down because it would basically be useless because it would be flapping in the wind, and there's no way that we could get it all done. Here's the black plastic to the picking flowers. And then we've got the rest of this that we still have to put down. We still have 6 more rows of black plastic that we have to be putting down. So this is 1 row, 2 row, and it goes all the way to 8 rows. And here is the garden soil that we went and got in Tulsa. This is a little bit different than what I got last year. A lot of sand in it, so I'm not real happy with it, but I'll use it this year. It's supposed to have 60% of compost and 30% soil and sand mixed in it, but we'll see how it does. I usually like the really dark black stuff, so this is the best we can do for this year. We've been working on cleaning the bed, and as you can see, the grass has gotten really tall. So because of all the rain that we've had, so I've got to get in here and get it all weeded and mowed down. But hopefully we will get that done by this week, and we will get this place all cleaned out and beautiful and ready to start planting. Wanted to show you guys my mom's tulip tree is starting to bloom. I always love it. Well guys, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, being able to get caught up on where we're at and where we've been and what's been going on. And I hope that you guys are thriving in the garden. And down below, let me know what you have going on in your garden and what you have planted or fixing to plant, because I'm always love to hear what others are doing inside their garden. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up. And as always, thank you for watching. Until the next video, God bless. What do I want to say? Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back.